No, sir.
No, sir.
Look at this damage.
We don't look for the car back up on my sir.
Oh my God. Hey, don't not step in on the water, you know?
Just be careful.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have never seen anything like this.
Even when storm.
Not even when storm. I've never seen anything like this. Oh my God. Not even in a hurricane. I don't see stuff like this.
God, I show people side.
Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I have never seen anything like this. Me did think around the same cave as it bad.
Oh, yeah, around there.
I thought around there was bad. Nothing like this happened around there.
You like the hurricane?
Yes. Oh my God. I cannot believe this.
Just realize not nothing, man.
Let's go.
Yes. I want to be this.
Oh my God. I cannot believe this.
Yeah, I'm ready right now.
Oh my God. If anybody told me this, no, there was something after the video, because if you tell people, I'm not going to believe you. If you tell people this, they're not going to believe you, you know? If you tell people this, I'm not going to believe you. I don't want storm coming up.
And a breeze that blow.
I just rainfall, a breeze that blow, and I nothing, you know? And look at this. Look at this damage. Look at this damage.
Look in there. Look in there.
No. Oh, I cannot believe it. Holy shoot. No, let me come out. I'm coming. Oh my God.
This is a sign. For the city,
It did
we
not.
so bloody.
It wasn't a hurricane. There was no wind. Not even in a hurricane you don't see this kind of damage. Not even in a hurricane. Like seriously, you don't see this damage after a hurricane.
A disaster for the city, and it has come to now and take it on up to $2 billion worth of damage.
Oh my God.
$2 billion worth of damage.
And here I was. Holy.
Why look you so back and see over the
No man, my blood I run cold. My blood I run cold. I'm not telling a lie. I never see this yet. Not even in a hurricane, you know, see this. And the breeze not even blow, just rainfall. Like seriously?
That's
Look
how
at this.
powerful God is.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not even going to get in on a debate with nobody about no God. Because God not supposed to do this.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
So I'm not even going to get in on an argument with nobody about no God.
You see, when we reach a juice to be and when you see the car, water just clear from it. You see it also? The water reach up your side. Yeah.
And it's a picture of me right to start going now. You see what I mean? So people get drunk. I cannot believe this. And now my battery is dying. My battery is dead. Look at this. Look at this.
When insurance don't make claim.
No, but guess what? I don't think insurance covers these things. It's a natural disaster. Yeah. Yeah. Come kids, because we have to try and go around. Like this, I cannot even. And I thought around by St. Clavers was bad. Woo! Let's try to drop. Trying to drop. I cannot believe this. No, you see? Me have video this, you know. Because me can't tell nobody this without show them. You can't tell nobody this. And a hurricane come. It's not a hurricane we get, you know?
On the hillside, good.
You park it over the school?
No, man, in the road, man.
I think so. We share them flood out too much.
But, brother,
Like there.
I agree with
You
that.
flood out in there?
Every week, you know what's flood out. You just walk one of the gas station.
Oh shit, that's where the water was.
So major
You go run by the gas station?
You go over gas station?
You go run by the gas
You
station?
go over gas station?
You have to go.
Oh, alright.